Hey guys, I'm in Wal-Mart just a few days before Valentine's Day, and here's the what the crap? Where's the Valentine stuff? Okay, this does not make sense. This was the exact same corner where I saw the Halloween props and the Christmas props. Where the heck is the Valentine's Day props? Well, it turns out that it's not in that corner like predicted, or at least that's where the Halloween and the Christmas was. It turns out it's actually just right here. Just this small corner near the entrance. Ridiculous. Don't you just love unfitting themes that just don't really seem to mix with like Valentine's Day? Well, that was the most disappointing holiday off the console. You might as well just say Valentine's Day is probably like more worse than Easter, probably, just because it ain't that popular. All you see is a bunch of hearts and a bunch of misleading characters who support Valentine's Day. It's weird. But the positive thing is that I got some popcorn. It was like $1 just for this bag. Unfortunately, she didn't fill it because there wasn't enough popcorn, and it was like $2.50 for a big bag. So yeah, there's the Walmart place that I go to, and usually I would go to the corner just over there to actually see the holiday stuff and whatever, but they don't really have much Valentine stuff there. It's mostly just candy cards and stuffed animals. So we might as well just say that there was more interesting stuff on Halloween and Christmas. But the real question is, what are we going to see on Easter? Stay tuned. Construction site for the Loos. Well, this is one problem. You can probably not hear a thing. Well, that was the most disappointing Halloween off the console. Wait,